Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Microsoft Azure account. All right. First up, go ahead over to portal.azure.com. And once you're in here, click on these three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now go ahead over to Microsoft Entra ID. Click on it. And here, just click on Manage Tenants. Now go ahead and tick on the tick box right here and hit on Delete. You'll be landed to the next page. Just wait for it. As you can see here, we have a red warning and it says it's under Microsoft Azure subscription. So we'll have to cancel or delete our subscription first. All right. So let's just click on this hyperlink right here, delete all Azure subscriptions and underlying resources. Click on it and you'll be landed to this page. All right. So what we're going to do is just click on the subscription right here. Click on cancel subscription, select the reason. Once done, tick on this tick box and click on cancel subscription button right here. And it says here, your subscription is being canceled and the subscription is now canceled. Just close this one. Now let's go back to our tenant section right here. Enter ID, manage tenants, tick on the tick box, hit on delete. And once it loads, it will ask you to get permission to delete Azure resources. Just click on it. All right. And this slider right here, make sure that it is set to yes, and hit on save. That's done. Go back, refresh the page. You just click on delete. It says here, deleting tenant, successfully deleted tenant. And that's basically how you do it. All right. That's how you delete a Microsoft Azure account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.